Electronics. So in this video we are going to see the recruitment from IOCL or Indian Oil Corporation. There is a recruitment from the pipeline division of IOCL, and all the major states of India are having openings. So this is a very big opening. Totally 482 vacancies is there, and the recruitment is happening for apprentice for various categories. Okay, so this is an apprentice recruitment. So let us see the various categories in which they are recruiting apprentice. So the first category is technician apprentice, and the qualification you require is diploma. Okay, so this technician apprentice is for diploma people. Which all branches are eligible, I'll tell you. Okay, then next one is human resource apprentice and accounts and finance apprentice. So these two categories, that is human resource and accounts and finance, they are called trade apprentice. Okay, so that is the category of trade apprentice they are recruiting. Last one is data entry operator. Okay, so these are the various categories in which they are recruiting apprentice. So these are the categories in which they are recruiting apprentice. Okay, so first let us see the branches for technician apprentice they are recruiting. That is, which all branches of diploma are eligible. Let's see that first. Okay, so the branches they are recruiting, for which they are recruiting the technician apprentice, are mechanical, electrical, then telecommunication and instrumentation. Okay, so here if you have a diploma in mechanical, or if you have a diploma in electrical, or for telecommunication and instrumentation, if you have a diploma in electronics and communication or electronics and instrumentation, you are eligible. So telecommunication and instrumentation means you should have a diploma in electronics related branches. Okay, that is electronics and communication or electronics and instrumentation. These people are eligible. So this is a diploma recruitment. Okay, that is technician apprentice means you should have a diploma. That is a qualification requirement. Okay, so that is the qualification of the branches they are recruiting technician apprentices. Then the age limit is 18 to 24 years. Okay, that is the age limit. Maximum age limit is 24 years, and the duration of this apprentice training is 1 year for the technician apprentice and for trade apprentice. But for the data entry operators, the training will be only for 15 months. Okay, so there is 3 categories of recruitments actually happening: for technician apprentice, trade apprentice, and for data entry operators, right? For technician and trade apprentice, the duration of training will be 1 year. For data entry operators, the duration of training will be only 15 months. And also they have said that stipend will be provided as per the apprenticeship rules. Okay, as per the Government of India apprenticeship rules, stipend will be provided. Okay, so this is a stipend based training. Next, moving on to the selection process, very important thing. So the selection or the shortlisting will be done based on written examination. So the written examination will be MCQ based examination, which is having 100 questions, out of which 75 questions will be related to your trade. So whichever branch or trade you belong to, that specific trade questions will be there. That is 75 questions will be from that area, and the 25 questions, remaining 25 questions will be from the general aptitude session and the general awareness session. Okay, so that is a general session. 25 questions from the general session and 75 questions will be trade related. There will be no negative marking, and the time duration for exam is 2 hours. So based on this written examination, they will be shortlisting the people. Okay, so that is the selection process. Now there will be interview, will be there or not, they have not specifically given, but if there is requirement, they will be surely conducting the interview. Okay, next I'll be giving you the state wise vacancy. So as I said in the beginning, for all the states they have openings. So let's see the state wise opening details. For Gujarat, there is 90 vacancy, Rajasthan 46, West Bengal 44, Bihar 36, Assam 31, Uttar Pradesh 18, Odisha 51, Chhattisgarh 6, Haryana 43, Punjab 16, Delhi 21, Tamil Nadu 36, Karnataka 3, Andhra Pradesh 6, Uttarakhand 6, Himachal Pradesh 3. So these are the details of various states. Okay, some states are included in more than one region. There is northern region, southern region, likewise there is division, right? So some states are included in more than one region. Anyway, you can see all those details in the notification also. Okay. Now let's see the application procedure. Okay, so the application so for application or for applying for the apprenticeship training, first you have to register yourself to the mhrdnats.gov.in site. So that is the human resource development site of Government of India. In that there is a portal for NATS, that is National Apprenticeship Training. There is a page or there is a portal. So you have to register yourself there. Okay, if you are going to register for the technician apprentice, if you want to apply for the trade apprentice, you have to first register to apprenticeshipindia.org. Okay, so that is a site. I'll be giving all the links in description. Okay, so if you want to apply to technician apprentice, you have to first register to MHRD site. If you want to register to trade apprentice, first you have to register to apprenticeshipindia.org. That is the site. Okay, then after registering, you have to go to the site of Indian Oil Pipelines. Okay, so that is plis.indianoilpipelines.in. That link also I'll be sharing in description. Okay, so after you register to the Government of India site, then you have to go to the pipeline division site and then you have to enter your details. In that session or in that site, you have to complete 2 sections of application. Part 1, you have to enter all your details, that is personal details, mail ID, educational qualification, experience, everything you have to enter. In the part 2, you have to upload your photo and signature. Okay, and then you have to submit the application, and then also you can take a printout of the application and you can keep it for your reference. Okay, so this is the application procedure. So anyway, I'll be giving that application procedure photo or snapshot towards the end of this video also. Okay, so this is a procedure for applying, and if you have any doubts or queries regarding the application or anything, for respective regions of pipeline division, there is the mail IDs for respective divisions. You can send your queries and doubts to that mail ID also. Okay, that also they have given in the notification. For any doubts or queries, you can send mails or doubts to the respective region's mail ID. Okay, so this is the recruitment for Indian Oil Corporation Pipeline Division. Okay, so if you are interested, please do apply for it, and the date of application will be from 4th of November to 22nd November. So it will start on the 4th of November to 22nd of November you can apply. So I'm really hoping that this video is useful, because a lot of people was interested in doing apprenticeship, just want to start their career with some good organization. So Indian Oil Corporation is a very good organization to start your career with. So if you want to do your apprenticeship training, this is a golden opportunity. So you should try for it. All the details you can find in notification, and also towards the end of this video, as I've said, some images are included. If you want to refer, you can refer there also. Okay, I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.